Hi all you beautiful people out there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. It is so hot. I hope you're drinking lots of liquid and water because that's the only way to keep your skin hydrated and make it look glowing and fresh in summers. So guys, as promised, here I am with the video for drugstore makeup for beginners. So anyone who's new to college or has just joined work or just generally new to makeup, this is the video for you. So I have shared all the tips and tricks that I have learned through my journey in beauty and by experimenting with makeup. So definitely watch until the end. If you haven't seen the part 1 of the video, I will definitely put a link right above here. If you like the video, definitely subscribe, hit the like button, share, and if you have anything to say to me, please do mention it in the comment box below. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right into it. My face is clean. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. Here I'm using the Clinique 72 Hour Surge Moisturizer. It's a very popular moisturizer and it's absolutely wonderful for all the oily to combination skin type girls out there. It keeps your skin extremely hydrated all day long. Once I have put the moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and put a chapstick on my lips. Here I'm using the Sebamed chapstick, my most favorite. I love it for summers and winters both. Now going ahead with a primer, this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. It's a beautiful silicone primer and helps your foundation stay in place all day long and doesn't let it budge. Once my primer is in place, I'm going to go ahead and put foundation. Here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face. This is a beautiful foundation and gives sheer to medium coverage. With the help of a damp sponge, I'm going to pat this foundation in. Remember never to drag the foundation as it creates streaks, and since we want a smooth base, we should always pat the product in. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Correct in the color Peach, I'm going to color correct all the darkness under my eyes. I like to place it under my eyes and on top of my lids and blending it out well. This is a beautiful color corrector, extremely blendable and goes on the eyes very smoothly. Just remember to blend it out well. Now going in with my concealer, here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's a beautiful concealer, extremely blendable and does not crease. I like to place it under my eyes, on top of my lids and under my brow bone. I also like to highlight with this concealer the bridge of my nose, forehead and a bit on my chin. Once I've placed the concealer where I like, I'm going to blend it out with a damp sponge. Now that my base is done, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with a powder. Here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. Using the Maybelline powder brush to set my entire face, I'm going to go in directly in the powder pan and take up some product, tap off the excess and place it all over my face. Remember that I'm not dragging the product, I'm just placing it all over my face, especially under my eyes. This is a beautiful powder from Maybelline and sets your face extremely well. Using my L'Oreal brow kit, I'm going to go in and fill in my brows very lightly. Here I'm using the Real Techniques brow brush. There is a beautiful brush that comes with the pan, you can use that as well. Remember, it's very important to do up your brows as it pulls the look of your makeup together and it changes the look of your face instantly. Going in with my Rimmel Natural Bronzer, I'm going to bronze my face. Here I'm using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Going into the pan, tapping off the excess and applying the bronzer in the hollows of my cheeks and temples. I love a sun-kissed look in summers and this bronzer does that so well. You don't particularly need a separate bronzing brush. You can use the Maybelline powder brush for bronzing as well. Using my favorite Color Bar blush, I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks, a bit on my nose, chin and the forehead. A beautiful blush can add a pop of color to your face, and this blush is so pigmented and doesn't get patchy during the day. Now going in with Color Bar Kohl, I'm lining my lower waterline and blending the kohl out with a sponge applicator. This kohl pencil glides on the eye so beautifully and it is as black as it can get. I'm going in with the Vega eyelash curler to curl my lashes, and then I will add the Maybelline Falsies mascara. This mascara stands true to its name as it adds a very falsies kind of a look. It not only naturally curls the lashes but also adds a lot of volume. Always remember to wiggle the wand up your lashes for best application and to attain maximum volume. Time for my favorite makeup product ever. Drum roll for the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. With the help of a Real Techniques setting brush, I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. I can go on and on about this highlighter. It's so pigmented, you guys, and gives a very wet, glowy, sun-kissed look. Guys, time to add a pop of color. I'm using the liquid lipstick by Deborah. You have heard me rave about this one so much. The colors are so beautiful, absolutely matte and glides on like butter. It's comfortable matte, doesn't dry or chap the lips. Best way of application would be to line the lips first and then fill them in. Definitely take your time with this one. This is it, guys. I hope you like this simple yet beautiful look. It's very easy for all the beginners who have just started out on their makeup journey. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. So question of the day, mention your favorite drugstore makeup products that you love in the comment box below. Until I see you next, bye bye. Love you all.